Early lead is taken by Queen's Quest and Scout Ranger moving up by the rail. Here's Queen's Quest in the lead, followed by Scout Ranger by the rail, and Miss Manila on the farther outside, and Chinoy moving up on the inside, while Sing a Song is running in fourth on the farther outside. Here's Queen's Quest in the lead, followed by Miss Manila in second, Scout Ranger running in third on the inside, and here comes Chinoy and Sing a Song. Nearing the far turn, it's still Queen's Quest by a length and a half, followed by Scout Ranger. And on the outside is Miss Manila, Chinoy, and Sing a Song. Rounding the far turn, Queen's Quest by a length and a half. It's still Queen's Quest in the lead, Scout Ranger moving up on the inside, and Miss Manila on the farther outside. And now the last bend for home, Queen's Quest moving up in between horses, Scout Ranger, Miss Manila on the farther outside. It's still Queen's Quest, Miss Manila moving up on the outside. In between horses, it's Scout Ranger. It's Miss Manila on the outside, Scout Ranger. And moving up on the inside, Queen's Quest on the farther outside is Chinoy. And nearing the payoff line is still Miss Manila, Queen's Quest, and Scout Ranger, Chinoy on the farther outside. And finally at the payoff line, it's Miss Manila, Queen's Quest, Chinoy, Scout Ranger, Sing a Song.
Okay, 4-3-1-2-5.